unite the families, oh God, in the name of Jesus Christ. Those who are oppressed by the devil, let them be free. Every chain and every yoke that possesses and chaining and binding the people of God, let them all be broken and every soul be set free in the city of Mbombela. I'm praying, Father, for the divine transmigration of the city of Mbombela from glory to glory, from power to power, in the name of Jesus. Translate the city from the kingdom of darkness to the kingdom of light, the kingdom of our God, the kingdom that is unshakable. In the name of Jesus Christ, I declare and decree that all the churches in the city of Mbombela, they have the fire of God, the power of God. The sick are healed in the name of Jesus. The gospel of Jesus Christ is preached on all churches in the name of Jesus.